Let's look at what happens when we add a strong acid and a strong base. We're going to be talking about writing net ion equations here. So the first thing we're going to do is introduce a term called reacting species. So when a strong acid reacts, what is actually reacting and what's going to be a spectator ion? So since strong acids completely dissociate in solution, the reacting species for every strong acid is simply H+. Okay. So to write a net ionic equation, I can kind of ignore the sulfate and the perchlorate and the nitrate. Similarly for strong bases, because they dissociate completely, the only part that I'm worried about is the OH-. That's what makes it a strong base. The Li+, the Na+, and the K+ are always going to be spectator ions because they're alkali metal ions. So here's an example. I have HCl and NaOH. So all I'm going to do is write the reacting species. Since HCl is a strong acid, I'm going to write H+, and then plus. And since NaOH is a strong base, I'm just going to write OH-. And when I add those two things together, I make water. And this exact same reaction is going to happen every single time you add a strong acid and a strong base. It doesn't matter what they are. Doesn't matter what they are. They always give the same net ionic equation. Of course, if we were writing the full molecular equation, it would look a little different.